Student, today's chapter is chemical change and chemical bond. Students, how many types of changes? There are two types of changes, physical change and chemical change. In physical changes are mostly reversible and chemical changes are not reversible. In physical changes, no new substances are formed. In chemical changes, one or more new substances are formed. In physical change, the substance retains its chemical properties, and in chemical change, the new substances formed have different properties from the original substances. So, difference between physical and chemical change. In physical change, no new substance form. In chemical change, new substances form. In physical change, can be reversed, and in chemical change, hard to reverse. In physical change, temporary, and chemical change are permanent. So student, examples of physical changes and chemical changes. First, example of physical changes. Freezing or melting. Second, boiling or condensing. Third, cutting. Fourth, grinding. Fifth, bending. Sixth, blending. And sixth are dissolving. Examples of chemical changes. First, combustion. Second, reacts with an acid. Third, reacts with a base. Fourth, rusting. Fifth, oxidizing. Sixth, decomposing. And seventh are digesting. So student, next point is chemical change and word equation. During a chemical change, the chemical composition of the original matter changes and new substances having different properties and different chemical compositions are formed. A chemical equation can be written for chemical change if the exact change in chemical composition is known. Names and chemical formulae of the original substance and newly formed substance are used while writing a chemical equation. For example, when baking soda is added to lemon juice, a chemical change takes place in the citric acid present in the lemon juice, and the gas formed is carbon dioxide. The word equation can be written for this chemical reaction as follows. Citric acid plus sodium bicarbonate gets carbon dioxide plus sodium citrate. This is a neutralization reaction. Student, next topic is chemical changes in everyday life. We find many examples of chemical changes in our surroundings, body, home, and laboratory. Let us see some chemical changes for which word and chemical equation can be written by easily. So, natural chemical changes. First, respiration. Respiration is continuously occurring biological process. In this process, we inhale the air and exhale carbon dioxide and water vapor. After an in-depth study, it is learned that glucose in the cells react with oxygen in the inhaled air to form carbon dioxide and water. The word equation and chemical equation of these chemical reactions are as follows. Word equation: glucose plus oxygen gets carbon dioxide plus water. Chemical equation: C6H12O6 plus O2 gets CO2 plus H2O. Second, photosynthesis. You know that green plants perform photosynthesis in sunlight. A word equation and chemical equation unbalanced can be written for these natural chemical changes as follows. Word equation: carbon dioxide plus water gets glucose plus oxygen. Chemical equation: carbon dioxide plus water gets C6H12O6 plus O2. Student, next topic is man-made chemical changes. We bring about many chemical changes everyday life. Let us see some of them. The chemical change that we saw in the first activity is used the cold drink and called soda lemon. It means that it is an useful man-made chemical change. First A. Combustion of fuels. Wood, coal, petrol or cooking gases are burned for getting energy. The common substances that burns in all these fuels is carbon. During the combustion process, carbon combine with oxygen in air and the product carbon dioxide is formed. A common equation can be written as this combustion process as follows. Word equation: carbon plus oxygen gets carbon dioxide. Chemical equation: C plus O2 gets CO2. Combustion of fuel is fast and irreversible chemical change. Second, cleaning Shahabat tile with dilute hydrochloric acid. The chemical composition of Shahabat tile is mainly calcium carbonate. During its cleaning with hydrochloric acid and three products are formed. One of them is calcium chloride, which being soluble in water gets washed away the water. The second product is carbon dioxide. Its bubbles mix up in air. The third product, water, mixes with water. The following equation can be written for this chemical change. Word equation: calcium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid gets calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water.